Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a little bit different. It's something we've never done on the channel before, but I'm super excited. I'll be collaborating with a local hairstylist here in the DMV.
Hey y'all!
Make sure you guys follow Kris. She is an amazing stylist here in the DMV area. I'll leave all her information down below. Today we are going to be working with hair from my collection, the GLEEmade hair collection. This is the hair we have today, and I will put all the links on this hair down below. So today, what are we gonna do?
We're doing a wig install.
Okay.
Wig install.
Yes, and you made the wig for me.
I use it on a sewing machine. So
beautiful.
No handmade. It's gonna last forever.
Yes, wonderful. Should we show them the construction of how you make your wigs?
So I used, I want to say like 10 rows. She gave me about 3 bundles, I want to say, and a 5x5 closure as well that I tinted.
It looks beautiful. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let the video just play out. I'm gonna take this unit off and we will get started. So you guys, I'm just going to do a little bit of a voiceover throughout the video. Here I just wanted to show you guys that Kris is really an intentional stylist. I love the fact that she uses some grease on my scalp and on my braids so that my braids, my hair was being hydrated while it's under the wig. I think that's so important to remember that your hair needs to be taken care of underneath the wig as well. I use grease myself, and so I absolutely love that she took this step, because I definitely do this when I braid my own hair down for a wig. Then the next step is to use some Got2b gel and to just gel down my edges so that they're also laid down and protected against any glue or residue or anything like that. Use a blow dryer on cool to go ahead and set that before we get started with the foundation of the wig. Next step is a wig cap, and Kris is really good about having caps of all different colors and shades so that it can match your skin tone no matter what that tone is. And here I am ready for my wig. So as you guys already saw, Kris went ahead and applied some Got2b spray, blow dried that, and then is applying some glue just to hold down the wig cap. Then the next step will be to apply the glue for the wig application. You guys already know I love my Ebin lace tint spray. It is literally my all-time favorite. So Kris went ahead and applied that inside the wig that she made, and now we're applying the lace glue. She did apply 2 layers of glue, which I'm very happy for, because I was going out of the country. My daughter turned 13 the weekend that I got my hair done. So I took my daughter and my boys to Puerto Rico. So we were in hot, warm weather and swimming, and my wig had to stay laid, y'all. And it did. It lasted the entire trip to Puerto Rico. I came back and my wig was still slaying. And here is the moment we've all been waiting for, where the magic happens. This wig fit my head so perfectly. Kris did her thing making this wig. It literally fit snug and comfortable. And that's the key, right? It needs to be snug and comfortable. So I would absolutely recommend this wig and Kris making the wig, because she does an amazing job. I was literally feeling myself already, you guys. I could have walked out the chair now because I was like, this is fire. And these bundles, like, can you get into this closure and these bundles? Like, this closure is absolutely fire, if I do say so myself. And these bundles are everything. This is the pineapple twist wave. This is what it looks like once you wash it and let it air dry. I absolutely love this texture of hair. It is curly, wavy, beautiful, and still easy to manage, and I love that. Here, Kris is hot combing the closure. She said that this step is super important to keep your closure laying flat, and this is a step that a lot of people skip. But you want to part out your closure, and you want to run your hot comb through each section of the closure to really get it laid and slicked down. And I will say this step definitely makes a huge difference. I've never done it before, but it's a huge difference. So make sure you add this step in to go ahead and have your closure laying super sleek and super flat. So even though I absolutely love the curl pattern of this hair, I love the pineapple twist wave in its air dried form, and I wear it like this all the time, I did want to show you guys the versatility of the hair, and I did want to show off Miss Kris's curling skills, because she is a boss when it comes to layers and curls. So I could not come to Kris and not get it. So she definitely went ahead and blow dried the hair out. She focused mainly on blowing the roots, and then we went into the curling process. But can we just get into these bundles? Like, can we just get into this hair? Y'all gotta check out GLEEmade.com for all your bundles, all your closures, all your frontals, because when I tell you the hair is fire, it is top notch. So here we're using the GLEEmade styling foam. This foam is available on our website. You can go ahead and click the link down below to check it out. It's also available on Amazon Prime. Just to mold the baby hairs. Y'all know I love my baby hairs thick and extra, and I told Kris to do mine that way because I absolutely love it. love the way Kris does my hair. It's just so beautiful, like the attention to detail. How many times she goes back with the hot comb, how many times she makes sure the baby hairs are laid, makes sure the closure is nice and flat, the hair is flat ironed to perfection. Like, she works fast and intentional, and I absolutely love that in a stylist that can get you in and out the door in a reasonable amount of time, but your hair is looking flawless. And yeah, it's definitely Kris. So if you live in the DMV area, if you're in DC, Maryland, or Virginia, definitely click the link down below and check out Kris and book her for her services, because she is a true professional. Y'all, it's literally the takedown for me. Like, it's the takedown for me. Look at this hair. When I tell you, flawless. Kris did her thing, and these GLEEmade bundles and closure did their thing. And yeah, I was immediately feeling myself. Look at the phone. The camera is up. Like, I needed to get that on my Instagram. And that's how you do it. Period. Period. Okay? You see it. You see it. I'm in love.
Just high layers.
Layers is giving everything. Thank you so much, Kris.
You're so welcome.
I appreciate you.
You're so welcome.
Thank you for coming on my channel.
Bye.
Make sure y'all follow Kris. If you're in the DMV area, make sure you book her. How do they find you on your style? You have a style feed, or
I have a Acuity scheduling page on my Instagram.
So they can find you through Instagram.
Right on my Instagram.
Best way to find her is through Instagram. Okay, cool. Her link is in the bio, so definitely make sure you check her out. If you like the hair, it is my hair. This is GLEEmade hair. It's a 5x5 HD lace closure with 4 bundles of the pineapple twist wave, and I will link them down below, as well as a coupon code. And if you would like for Kris to make you a wig, because she made this wig out of a closure and bundles, then I definitely have a special price for you guys for that as well.
Yep.
Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.